Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a business to Google Maps in 2026. So if your shop, office, restaurant, or local business isn't showing up on Google yet, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer and make sure you're signed into your Google account. You'll need an account before you can submit a business listing. Before adding anything, search for your business name to make sure it doesn't already exist. Sometimes Google automatically creates listings using public information, so yeah, it's good to check first. If your business doesn't appear, tap the menu or right-click on the map. Then select Add Your Business or Add a Missing Place, depending on the device you're using. Now enter your business details carefully. Add the business name, category, address, phone number, website, and business hours. I mean, the more accurate your information is, the easier customers can find you. Next, place the map pin exactly where your business is located. This step is really important because customers will use this location for directions. After that, add your contact details like a phone number and website link. If you don't have a website yet, you can skip that part for now. Once everything looks good, tap Submit or Finish. Google will review your request before the business becomes visible on Maps. Sometimes approval happens quickly, but in other cases it can take a few days. After the listing is approved, Google may ask you to verify ownership. This can happen through a phone call, text message, email, video verification, or a postcard sent to your business address. Once verified, you'll be able to manage your Google business profile. You can upload photos, reply to reviews, update hours, and track how customers find your business online. And yeah, that's the full process for adding a business to Google Maps in 2026. It only takes a few minutes to submit, and having your business on Google can make a huge difference for local visibility.